YouTube? It is your boy Bobby Sneaker World. Now, I started this day off. I was just going to pick up my Michigan 12s, and I was just going to get my hair cut. But it went from that to, you know what? Let me hit up the Nike outlet and see what they got going on since it's the weekend. I call, they tell me they got 20% off the entire store. Not just the hash wall, but the racks as well. I said, say no more. I'm on my way. So it went from mall vlog to Nike outlet pickup. Holla at your boy. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna start down here in the kids section. Joso said that he liked these Kyries and these LeBrons. But even though you see all of these pairs, there is no 4 or 4.5 in either joint. I'm tight right now. Those pink joints is fire. So they got the ash joints. He don't want those. So we're gonna keep looking around. We're gonna see what else they got. Like I said, it's supposed to be 20% off everything. So let's just look. Let's see if we can stumble across a steal or two. Let's see if they got on the hash wall for the kids, for the chillin'. We got these 10s. Size of those? 5. These Air Force Ones for 40 bucks. We got a bunch of spikes and a bunch of winter boots. Stuff that's out of season. I don't think I've seen anything in kids, man. That sucks, man, that they didn't have anything for Josiah. But let's run through the women's section real quick. These ain't bad. Little workout sneaker with 54, 20% off. Got the leather Huarache. Got some Roshis. You got some Roshis with like a floral pattern. Got some slides. Got some swooshless crocodile skin joints. See, this is what happens, man, when they think on sale. These are different for 54. Little Air Max 90 premiums. When you find out things are on sale late in the afternoon, you show up and the store is empty. But there really ain't no select either. I mean, there was a couple things for kids and a couple things for kids, but not in Josiah's size. I don't really see anything in women's. I hope when I get down to my section, things are popping a little bit better. Alright, I'm gonna go through the running sneakers. Once again, I don't see anything. No select like that. But I'm gonna go through the entire store. Fetty doo wop. Nothing yet. Let's move over a little bit. You got your Huarache drifts for $69. You got some more in a different colorway for $79. These then got all the way down to $65. These are $90. But it's out of season. Completely out of season. I like these joints with the jewel. Only 60 bucks. Not bad. Not what I'm necessarily looking for. Got my size up there. Look at these. See if y'all can pick up on all this. It's a lot of detail in this. A lot of different materials. 89. Some bigger sizes. These joints. Some more drifts. Man, they got every colorway. And these. You got some Mariah's, 59. These even cheaper for 55. And pocket knives. You got all your Kobe's in order. Still got your KDs, LeBrons. Got your 15s. Got some Kyrie's. I remember I had these for retail, but I got rid of them because I couldn't see myself wearing them. Not practical for me. You got these Jordan 1s. These would be dope for like a custom or something like that. Yeah, those would be fire for a custom. You got like your Shadow Mids, 79. You got some Spizikes. And last time I was here, I remember these was coming to the outlet. Now they're officially here. It's been a few weeks since I've been to the outlet. What's over here? Nothing. Nike basketball stuff. Nothing crazy. These are trash. Trash can juice. Got your Eddie Jones in two colorways, 79 and 69. Got some slides. All right, we about to hit the hash wall in a second. All right, I'm gonna start closer to my section first. Well, the All-Star ones then finally made it to the hash wall, but I think I still seen these cheaper online. I think I seen them all the way down to like 89. They 109 with 20% off. These joints, 50 bucks. Got some 90s fly nets. Yes, you got some Hyper Dunks for 50. LeBron Lows. I think the only thing that's even worth copping so far is those All-Star ones. And they've been sitting this long for a reason. I would rather pay $80 for them. Not seeing anything crazy yet. Everything is pretty much the same. The whole wall. What are these? Golf spikes. I don't see nothing but Huaraches, 90s, and that's about it. Let's go look at the clothes. Alright, you got your tees. Nike tees, all Nike tees. 2 for $25 everywhere. The prices are pretty good, but I haven't seen anything that I actually need out of here to pull out of here. It's a lot of athletic stuff, not a lot of casual, super casual stuff. I think I'm gonna run over to H&M, see what they got real quick. Come here, Abel. Here, Abel. You little guy. Alright, y'all, so I'm back at the house. I didn't want to finish the video. A lot of the stuff the stores we went into didn't necessarily need to record, but I figured I'd finish the video out properly and show y'all a couple things that we picked up. Obviously, we didn't pick up any sneakers, unfortunately, but I was able to pick up a couple small things. Right here, I got a shirt for me. As you can see, it's a Jordan shirt. You got the bread ones. It says Daily Essentials. Born and bred. Dope tee. Dope t-shirt. I don't have the bread, but I do have bread toes, and I will be wearing those with that. Just a little champion t-shirt for Josiah. Said TJ Maxx out there at the outlet. We did go over to H&M, and I got Josiah something dope. Got like this velvet blazer. It was on sale. It was only $20. I don't know when he's gonna be wearing it, but it's good to have on deck regardless, especially for 20 bucks. And he got some shorts. That's H&M. What do you get at the Gap? At the Gap, just got some denim shorts, Joe Soap, and some fatigue shorts. So I just wanted to finish the video out properly, try to get the last little bit of sunlight out of here and enjoy this weather before it starts raining. But that's the end of the video. I appreciate y'all rocking with y'all boy. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. OBE!